Hello, Audit Trail. In cloud world, one of the most difficult thing is to track on transactions. With growing environment, capturing day-to-day tasks is becoming challenging stuff. Over next 5 to 7 minutes, we will see how CLM captures these transactions. Agenda is pretty simple. We would go through CLM Workspace for audit trail and then go for a live demo. As part of audit, admin user can perform few activities. Admin user can check for overall pending activities on the CLM. When I say overall pending activity, it means he can check for what network container, what resources, what service offering instances, or any other activity that is being done from any workspace of CLM can be tracked here. Apart from this, an admin user can also provide a search criteria. He can check for activities that have happened during a particular interval of time. We also allow admin user to set few rules based on which data will be stored or archived in the database. We'll go for a live demo now. As part of live demo, I've already logged into the CLM console using Cloud Admin. The way to traverse to this tab is by clicking Workspace and Audit Trail button. Once we are here, we would see a tab called as Pending Activities and number of search criteria that are available here. As part of search criteria, we have service request ID, activity ID, tenant names, usernames, start date, end date, activity state, and work area. As nothing is live, I would go for the archive collection of the data and do some search. It just gives us warning saying that no criteria has been entered right now. I would close that. And next, I would show the end date as today and select search option. This should list down all the activities that have been happening and has been archived in the system. As you can see, there has been activities like submit request. If we keep traversing, the most activities would be submit request, but if we go to the earlier part, we would see different activities happening during initial phase, like mapping to network container, updating tenant quota, etc. etc. So this is how we can search for all the archived activities on the system. Next, let us clear the search criteria and try for a tenant. Let us select a tenant under this as a bronze tenant and again go for archive data. This will list down all the activities that has been happening for the particular tenant. Let us clear and try for the work area. As part of work area, all the workspaces have been listed here. We can select, say, network containers and then again select as archive. This will list me all the activities that have been happening on resources tab where there is network container. Let us now see based on activity state how the filter works. I'll just clear the network container part and select activity criteria as computed activities. Once I do this and click on search, this will show me all the successful activities that have happened over the system. Another important thing that admin would be bothered is to see what activities have actually failed. We can click on failed and go for the archive and click on search. Once we do that, this will list all the things that have failed. It also gives us error info that is available for different kind of activities. In this we have a couple of activities where say decommissioning has failed. If we click, it would give which server decommissioning had failed. And if we go for other activity, it would show the submit request that has failed. With this, we end the live demo. There are a couple of other like managing the activities. A user can select number of days he wants to archive the records, and after number of days the records needs to be deleted. Those things can be done from the backend using escalations. Thank you.